Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 4 of class 7, subject English 2, articles. A and the are called articles. As a general rule, we use the when it is clear from the context which person or thing we mean. We use a or an when we do not refer to any particular person or thing. Example, here is an elephant. I like the book you gave me. A or an is called the indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of as a doctor, that is any doctor. Definition. This is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing as he saw the doctor, meaning some particular doctor. Indefinite indefinite article a or an. Use of a and an depends upon the sound of the word it precedes. Before a word beginning with the vowel sound, an is used as an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella. The article a is used before a word beginning with the consonant sound as a car, a jug, a pen, a book. It will be noticed that a is used before words like a university, a union, a European, a eve, a unicorn, a useful article. This is because these words university, union, etc. begin with the consonant sound of u. Similarly, we say a 1 rupee coin, such a one-eyed man, because one begins with the consonant sound of w. It will also be noticed that an is often used before the words beginning with h, as an honorable position, an honest man. This is because h is silent in these words. Uses of definite article. The definite article the is used when we speak of a particular person or thing, or one already referred to as let's go to the park. The park we usually go to. The book you want is out of print. I dislike the fellow. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole school, as the cow is a useful animal, or we may say cows are useful animals. The banyan is kind of fig tree. Do not say a kind of a fig tree. This is a common error. With names of gulfs, rivers, seas, oceans, groups of islands, and mountain ranges, as the Persian Gulf, the Ganga is considered holy by the Hindus, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the British Isles, the Andamans, the Himalayas lie to the north of India, the Alps. Before the name of books as the Vedas, the Purans, the Iliads, the Ramayana, but we say Homer's Iliad, Valmiki's Ramayana. Before common nouns, which are names of things unique of their kind, as the sun, the moon, the sky, and the earth. 6. Before a proper noun, only when it is qualified by an adjective or a defining adjectival clause, as the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare, the Mr. Roy who you met last night is my uncle, with superlatives as the darkest cloud has a grey lining. He is the best boy in the class. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood as the poor are always with us. Use of the indefinite articles a or an. The indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of one, as wait a minute, a bird in the hand is worth two in the brush. In the verge sense of certain, as one evening a beggar came to my door. In the sense of any, to single out an individual as the representative of class, as a pupil should obey his teacher. To describe somebody or something, or to say what somebody's job is, as he is a clever boy, this is a useful book, my aunt is a doctor. To make a common noun a proper noun, as a denial comes to adjustment, denial equals to a very wise man. Omission of the article. The article is omitted before naming of substances and abstract nouns, uncountable nouns, used in a general sense as sugar is bad for your teeth, gold is a precious metal, wisdom is the gift of heaven, honesty is the best policy. Before plural countable nouns used in a general sense as children like chocolates, computers save time. Note that such nouns take the when used as a particular meaning as where are the children equals to our children. Before names of meals used as a general sense as dinner is ready, what time do you have lunch? Before names of languages as we are learning English, I know Tamil. Before school, college, church, hospital, prison, and bed, when we think about the main purpose of the place as he goes to school regularly to study, we go to church on Sundays to pray, she has gone to hospital for treatment, he was sent to prison for theft as a punishment. What time do you go to bed to sleep? Before most proper nouns except those referred to early, namely names of people, example Abdul Radha, mean names of continents, countries, cities, etc. Example Europe, Sri Lanka, Mumbai. Names of individual monuments. Example Mount Everest, mountains. Example Mount Everest, individual islands, lakes, etc. In certain phrases consisting of transitive verbs followed by its object as to catch fire, to take breath, to give battle, to cast anchor, to send word, to bring word, to lay siege, to set sail, to lose hurt, to set foot, to leave home, to take offense. In certain phrases consisting of a preposition followed by its object as at home, in hand, in depth, by day, by night, at daybreak, at sunrise, at noon, at sunset, at night, at anchor, at sight, on demand, at interest, on earth, by land, by water, by river, by train, by steamer, by name, on horseback, on front, on deck, on just, in town, at dinner, at ease. Note, the is used before these words when we use the place of any other purpose or in any other ways as the school is near my house, I went to the hospital to see my uncle, the bed is broken. Next, we have the exercise. Now, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the as may be suitable. First one, copper is dash useful metal, so it is a. He is not dash honorable man, an. Honest man speaks dash the truth. Do you see dash blue sky? Do you see the blue sky? When Benares is dash holy city. Benares is dash holy city. It is a. He returned after dash hour. He returned after an hour. Dash school will shortly close for the puja holidays. The. Yesterday dash European called at my office. It is a European. The guide knows dash way. The. Sri Lanka is dash island and insert articles where necessary. While there is life, there is hope. While there is life, comma, there is hope. When rises in east, sun rises in east. So you have to write the sun rises in the east. Third one, the brave soldier lost arms in battle. So the brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. The doctor says it is hopeless case. So the doctor says it is a hopeless case. I like to live in open air. So I like to live in the open air. Get pound of sugar from nearest grocer. Get a pound of sugar from the nearest grocer. Set back clock, it is hour too fast. Set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. You must take care. Okay, children. Now, Compare your answer with another student and discuss the differences in the answer, if any. Decide which answers are correct before your teacher checks them. Now, repetition of the articles. When two or more descriptive adjectives qualifying the same noun are connected by and the article is used before the first adjectives only, as here is a French and English dictionary, one dictionary. The red and white roses, one rose. When two or more adjectives qualify different nouns expressed or understood, the article is used before each adjective, as the inner and the outer walls were both strongly defined. The red and the white rose, two roses, the one red and the other white. The French and the English language. When two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is ordinarily used before the first only, as this dismiss the secretary and accountant, same person holding two offices. When two or more connected nouns refer to different person or things, the article is used before each, as they dismiss the secretary and the accountant. The teacher and the guardian of the boy were discussing his case. However, there are expressions as he bent over the child and mother. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used before the first noun only, as Wellington was a greater soldier than statesman. But if the two nouns refer to different persons or things, the article must be used with each noun, as he is a better soldier than a statesman, that is, than a statesman would make. Notes: the repetition is not considered to be necessary when the noun is put in the plural, as the first and the second chapter, the French and the English language. The second article is often dropped even where the reference is to different individuals or things, provided the thought would not in any way be impaired, as until we receive the early and later rain. Sometimes, however, the article is repeated for emphasis even when the reference is to one person, as he was the orderer and the statements of his age. So, children, we have completed the exercise and we have understood the chapter number 4 articles. You also have to complete your work on page number 26 in your textbooks. Thank you.